Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in skincare and beauty products.
Today, we have a game changer in sun protection that's been making waves in the beauty community. Get ready to meet the Australian Gold Botanical SPF 50 Tinted Mineral Sunscreen for face.
Now, before we dive in,
don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to learn more about this amazing sunscreen.
Alright, let's get started. Picture this. A sunscreen that not only protects your skin from harmful UV rays but also leaves you with a flawless, matte finish. That's exactly what the Australian Gold Botanical SPF 50 Tinted Mineral Sunscreen offers. This non-chemical BB cream is formulated with zinc and titanium, providing broad-spectrum protection while seamlessly blending into medium to tan skin tones. Say goodbye to uneven color, fine lines, and wrinkles. This sunscreen has got you covered. But wait, it gets even better. Not only does this sunscreen deliver powerful sun protection, but it's also eco-conscious. The Botanicals range is designed to be non-nano and free of harmful chemicals like parabens, PABA, phthalate, and more. Plus, it's dermatologist and pediatrician tested, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. Talk about a win-win for your skin and the environment. Now, let's hear what real customers have to say about their experience with the Australian Gold Botanical SPF 50 Tinted Mineral Sunscreen. Kana Pana raves, it doesn't feel awful on the face or heavy. And it sinks and melts into the skin, with no greasy residue. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. And don't forget to reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're swimming or sweating. Remember, sun protection is key to maintaining healthy, youthful-looking skin. And there you have it, folks, the Australian Gold Botanical SPF 50 Tinted Mineral Sunscreen for face. The best tinted sunscreen for skin available in the market today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to check the description box below for links to purchase this amazing sunscreen and other products featured in today's video.
Until next time, stay protected and radiant.